Welcome back. Now, if the buyer doesn't take the upsell, you can also send them to a downsell page. And what you'll need to do is to add another step inside of your funnel. And you can do that by clicking Add a New Step. And we're going to write in the funnel step. We're going to write in the path. We're then going to create the funnel step. We're now going to move this content into the position after the upsell workshop. What we're now going to do is to add in a sales template. And we're going to change this to a one-click downsell template. And we're going to now select a one-click downsell template. What we're now going to do is we're going to create another product. And we're going to add in the product. We're going to use our existing Stripe gateway. We're then going to click Save and Next. We're going to give this product a name. We're going to give the product a price. We're going to click Save and Next. We're then going to bypass the variations. And we're going to add this individual to the same membership area. We're then going to click Save and Next. We're going to trigger a follow-up action, and we're going to add this individual to a different GetResponse list. We're then going to click Save and Next. This is not a physical product. We're going to click Save and Next. Our product is now set for this page. We're now going to return to our products list. What we now need to do is to go to our funnel, and we need to set up our membership so that we have a place for these individuals that purchase the product. So we're going to go to our funnels area. Once we get to our funnels area, we are going to go to our membership funnel. When we get to our membership funnel, we're going to work with our membership area. When we do that, what we're going to do is add in another section. And we're going to add in the product requirements. We're going to add in the upgrade offer funnel step, and we're going to make it so that the individual gets access to this area. We're then going to create this lesson section. And we're going to add in our content area. And we're going to designate our content area. And we're going to write in our lesson section. We're then going to create the lesson. And now this section is now ready for individuals that purchase the upsell. So we're now going to go back to our funnel pages. And we are going to edit our workshop page. We're going to edit our button. We're now going to set the action. We're going to make sure that this button goes to the product that's now just created. We also need to add our no thanks link. And so we're going to set the action, and we're going to set it at the no thanks link. Our page is now ready to be used in position. We're now going to click Save. We're now going to exit the page. And we've now added our downsell to our funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.